16. These poor cooked vegetables repair your eyes naturally. If you're over 60 and struggling with blurry vision, eye strain, or even early signs of cataract, you are not alone. But what if the solution to protecting your eyes was sitting right in your kitchen? In this video, we are revealing 4 powerful cooked vegetables that can naturally repair your eyes. And trust me, number 4 will surprise you. And stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus vegetable that most people completely overlook. But it's a secret weapon for healthy eyes. As we check out these vegetables, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. So why do these vegetables work so well for seniors? Because they supply the exact nutrients your eyes need to stay strong. Vitamin A and beta carotene for sharp vision and night vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin to filter harmful light and prevent macular degeneration. Vitamin C and antioxidants to fight oxidative stress and strengthen blood vessels. Cooking these vegetables makes these compounds easier for your body to absorb, especially when paired with healthy fats. 1. Carrots. Carrots have been the poster child for eye health for decades, and for good reason. They are loaded with beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin a key nutrient for the retina. Without enough vitamin A, your vision can become blurry, especially in low light. But here's something you might not know. Cooking carrot actually unlocks more beta carotene, making it easier for your body to absorb. So don't just eat them raw. Steam, boil, or roast them lightly. Add a drizzle of olive oil or coconut oil. Beta carotene is fat soluble, so pairing it with a healthy fat helps your body absorb even more. 2. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best greens for eye protection. It's rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act like sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Cooking spinach makes these antioxidants more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them better. Lightly saute spinach in a little garlic and olive oil. This keeps its nutrients intact and boosts absorption. 3. Sweet potatoes. If you've ever had trouble seeing at night, sweet potatoes are your friend. They are packed with beta carotene and also contain vitamin E, which protects your eyes from oxidative stress, a major factor in cataract and age-related eye issues. Baking or steaming sweet potatoes enhances beta carotene availability. Pair sweet potatoes with a little avocado or grass-fed butter for maximum nutrient absorption. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli doesn't just help your heart, it's a vision protector too. It's packed with vitamin C, which strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, and lutein, which shields against macular degeneration. But the real superstar here is sulforaphane, a compound that supports detoxification and protects your eye cells from damage. Steam broccoli instead of boiling it to keep the nutrients inside. 5. Okra. Here's the bonus vegetable that most people don't think about. Okra, also called okra or lady's finger. This slimy green veggie is a powerhouse for eye health because it's loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your eyes from oxidative damage. But here's what makes okra special. It's mucilage, that sticky substance you notice when you cook it. Helps keep your eyes and tissues hydrated, reducing dryness and irritation, which are common after 60. Steam or boil okra for a few minutes, then drizzle with a little healthy oil for better absorption. Avoid overcooking or you will lose its nutrients. Now, before you rush to the kitchen, here's the biggest mistake most seniors make: overcooking these vegetables. When you boil them too long or cook at very high heat, you lose up to 50% of their antioxidants and vitamins. Instead, use gentle steaming or quick sauteing. Cook just until tender. Bright colors means the nutrients are still inside. Now, here is a simple hack that can supercharge the eye healing power of these vegetables by up to 200%. Combine them with healthy fats and spices. Add extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or a small piece of avocado when cooking carrots or sweet potatoes. Why? Because beta carotene and lutein are fat soluble, meaning your body absorbs them much better when compared with healthy fats. And here is another trick: sprinkle a little black pepper when cooking spinach or broccoli. Black pepper enhances nutrient absorption, making sure your body gets every bit of those vision saving compounds. If you're over 60 and want to keep your eyesight sharp, make these 5 cooked vegetables part of your weekly diet: carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and our bonus, okra. Your eyes will thank you for years to come. Which one do you eat most often? Or which one are you adding to your meals starting today? Tell me in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more natural health tips that keep you healthy, strong, and happy for life. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.